How to remove watermark using Canva. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove a watermark from any video on Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your canva.com. Head over to Canva, and after you're on Canva, you will need to import a project or start a project. So after you first do that, what you'll then need to do is, first, as you can see, I have imported my video here as well, and there is a small watermark there. Now what we'll need to do is we'll actually need to edit this video. So to edit the video, first you will need to select this video. Let the video just load, and there we go. So first, if you have a watermark like this at the edges somewhere, what you can actually do is you can just drag this video so that it will just you put the watermark outside the frame like this. Doing that and adjusting a little, you will not even need to edit anything. As you can see now, the video is without any watermark and it works just fine. So that's the first trick. Now the second trick is actually, let me just resize this to normal. Let me just do this and a little from below. Let me just change this. Okay, so what we'll now need to do is we'll actually need to change this. So to bring the watermark back, let me remove this again. So there we go. Now after the watermark is back, what you'll then need to do is you'll need to actually just blur the watermark out. Now let me just do that. Let me just go back, and there is the watermark. So now what we'll do is we'll actually just bring out an element here. So under element, you can actually simply search for blur or stuff like that. So search for blur, and after you search for any blur, you can use whichever blur that you want. Now most of the features on Canva are pretty just for the pro versions only, so you can use whatever you'd like. So you can use something like this. You can find your color, whichever colors suit you the best. As you can see now, if I just turn this around a bit, it should just work. It should be working just fine. So you can play around with this. You can find any features or any elements that you'd like here, and you can find the colors for it as well. So there are a lot of different things that you can actually try out in Canva. You can put some stuff in front, you can bring this forward, but the easiest way is actually by just removing the blur away. I mean, just removing your watermark away, you just by cropping the video, and it's that simple, guys. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.